What if you could generate high quality AI video for free right inside your Google Vids? Welcome to SaaSpace Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to use Veo 3.1 to create stunning video steps by step without spending a little single dollar. For the first step, click the link in the description and you'll be on Google Vids official website, which is this one. Now you can explore by scrolling and you will see all the features there. And now to sign in, click the very top right corner and you will see to sign into Vids, and this will open to this workshop. From here, click on start a new video. It will open a project for you. Here, you can choose at the very beginning that if you want a landscape one or a portrait one or a square one. You can choose however you want. Also, you can click on blank vid to give it a blank video. I'll click on blank vid, so it will open like this. Okay, now for the title, give a suitable title according to your project or according to your prompt. I'm giving it one as this is my number one video. Now at the very right you will see all the options or the toolbars you will have here, and from here at the very top click on AI video. You will see the video demo you will be given here.
Apposmatism.
You can see there are quite a few demo videos. So to create a one, click on create and click on the prompt box. Here I will type a boy playing with a cat. Okay, here you can also add avatar, but these are for the upgraded version. As I am using the free version of the Google Vids, I won't be able to use that, but if you are using upgraded version, you can easily use that. Okay, now click on the drop down and select Veo 3.1. Only is for the upgraded users only. Now click on Veo 3.1, which will be selected by default, and you can also change the ratios, aspect ratios. As I have selected landscape at the very beginning, I'll stick to it. So click on landscape and hit the enter button or click arrow to generate the video. Now we have to wait quite a few moments while it's generating, and we will see the next step what will happen. As you can see, my video is generated here. Let's move on it and see how the video has been. That's pretty cool. So to insert the video in your project, click on the insert button and it will be here automatically. You have to wait a few moments. Yeah, it has came into our project. But if you want to extend it, click on the extend button and it will also open your prompt side where you have to give the prompt to extend the things. Okay, now let's see. Here you can see here are the timeline or the show time of the video. Here you can change the time settings or everything you want. As you can see, I have dragged it and make it quite bigger in the timeline. And also there are pretty much important tools in the right sidebar. Let's click on it and see what are the features they have. They have captions, text, stock videos, uploaded videos where you can upload your own ones, the recorded ones. Here you can record it, also the images. You can also create a new image and voiceovers, also avatars. There's tons of feature here where you can use and to make your video seen in the next level of it. There are top-notch things inside this whole Google Vids application. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you a lot. If you found this video and if it has helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Saspace Pro. See you in another video. Bye.